Hi friends, this is a puzzle that you need to cut out and around and then down the squiggly lines. An adult can help you, but this is an addition puzzle to make 10. For example, the answer is 10 and there's 1. So how many plus 1 equals 10? So we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. So look at that. So we have to add this and this to make 10. How many are here? How many are here to make 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 2, 1, 2, make 10. And there's a whole bunch of them in this pile to do. And then here's some more that you have to add together to make 10. Have lots of fun. Take your time and count how many objects on each of these puzzles, right? To make 10. But have fun with it. Bye, friends.